like it has, say, even in the last 6 years. Let's see, go ahead. This is NBC 52 Speak. Let's go. Okay, maybe tell us more about the scenery.